Surf's up, space ponies. I'm making gravy without the lumps. Video for you. Alright. So, I went ahead and did a darker color. This is more like a German gray that I kind of just came up with on my own. Because I'm smart like that. I'm smart. Now, this is going to get glued. Okay? Right. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm a cow. My cow's name's Bob. Bob's cow. He's a cow. And Shazbot. You know, it's just as my coils reaching a green line. Here we go. Get that crap out of here. Turd monkey, knuckle sandwich. There we go. Let's glue the crap out of here. Oh, no, contaminants, please. Because that's how the super glue gets all gummed up. And that's not good to happen, because it's bad. Okay. Yeah, it gets all lousy. And speaking of lousy, I cut a little bit too much crap on there. Super glue. I guess that's alright. Alright. Come on. Shazboticus. Alright, I guess that's good. Now, this is gonna have to go like, yeah. Which means, yeah. Okay. All right. Alrighty then, okay, yeah. Oh, yeah. And I am definitely going to have to do some putty work. Because the lines aren't really lining up here. And, okay. Dude, what the hell is, what happened here, man? What happened here? Oh, I had the clamp on there, that's why. Crap. Crapalicious, I think. Oh well. Yeah, I wasn't paying attention. Anyhow, this is gonna have to just be held like crazy. And I have to wait for the... Waiting for the glue to dry. I'm waiting for the glue to dry. I can't make a Depeche Mode song out of super glue, so I'm just gonna hang up, quit recording the video because I'm being stupid right now. Mr. Masking Solution Neo. 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 Nice. I hope. Okay, let's do the next nacelle here. All right. Cool. Hmm. Cool. Okay. There we go. There. Got 1mm holes here and here. I believe I would like to... Ah, geez, where am I going to put that? Maybe... let's drill into here. Here. And let's drill into here. All right. Nice. All right, so wave black number 1, a spring. This is a black spring. I don't have to paint it. Great. Okay. So I've never used this before. I mean, I've used springs before, but not this black one here. Okay. Oh, okay, it fit inside. It did. It totally just did. Okay. Okay. Come on, pop through. You just pop through. There we go. All right. I wonder if the best way to do this would be to mark it there. I can still kind of see that. Yeah. Boink. There we go. And it fell on the floor because I suck. All right. Ah, shit, spot. It's just not gonna hold it. Just get in the hole. on? I got it done. I ended up drilling with 1.2 millimeters. It was a lot easier to get them to stick. I kind of messed up some of the paint. I think the CA glue kind of disrupts the vinyl paint, I guess. I don't know. Alright, so I think I need to do a little bit of putty work though. Alright, this is old. Get out of here. It's dirty. Get out of here. There. Oh my gosh. You know, crap. Alright, this has to dry. And I just touched CA glue and I shouldn't have done that because it's annoying. Here. Okay, and I need water. Do I not need water? I do. There. There. Okay. There. Yeah, so this is the acrylic plastic putty, which is fantastic and I love it. And you need to use it or I hate you. So much easier once you got the paint down already. Okay. This side, gosh darn it, man. Why does this not want to glue properly? I keep having to re-glue this, man. What is even going on? Okay, I'm just gonna have to hold this again because it sucks. Cementine epoxy putty. 2-part epoxy putty, you just slice it off and knead it together here, right? So, the way this is made, it's just like you got this corner that is exposed. That's not good. Okay, so this has to be kind of closed off here because it's going to be like this little corner here is exposed. This goes onto the side of the Y-Wing. This has to be smoothed down though. Just enough to cover that. Just to clean that up. Let me move this here. Okay. Okay. My least favorite part of this model kit is by far the canopy here. Sorry about the sound outside. It's some guys using a belt sander or something. I don't know. Anyhow, this should have been resin. It would have worked a lot better if this was resin. Unfortunately, this is sofubi. I just saw another part I need to shave off. Golly. So the good thing is that it has, memory, shape retention. So that's all right. I mean, it was getting really, really bad looking when I was doing all the work on this, but it's kind of remembered its shape, because I had to heat this up and make it all warm. Anyhow, yeah, it's a bit difficult. Anyhow, and then I used super glue. I kind of glued that little part here where I had accidentally cut a little bit too deeply when I was cutting it off the block. Alright, I had this thing here and I was carefully trying to cut it off, but I guess this looks alright. Better than nothing. It would have been a lot easier if that was resin. Anyhow, I'm going to begin painting. Here.
Dude, you color light gray. Oh crap. See? I got the spider web crap. Crap. Okay. Alright, so what I'm going to do is that I got that spider web action going there. I need to take care of the spider webby stuff here. So what I'm going to do is just dump a bunch of thinner. And then the thinner should kind of melt that stuff. Go over it again with the thinner. It should take care of the spiderweb crap. Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
I'm using masking tape to lift off the stuff I put on here. Alright, the master masking solution. Neo. Neo. Okay. Oh. Pretty cool. I think I need to get new tape here. Okay, alright, let's skip ahead. Let's take a look at how this is going to turn out. Oh my. Okay. Okay. I will proceed. Then I'm going to paint this a different color. Paint this like a grayish blue or something. Alright, I made a combination of light gray and pastel blue. Oh gosh, look at that. Got the Spider-Man thing going again. Ah, come on. It looks like crap. Come on, melt. There we go. There. Okay. Oh, that's not even good. Okay. There we go. Okay, I got one more. Okay, great. Of course, this is after I put more of the masking crap on there. I'll do the next nacelle later, but for now, I'm going to do the stripe here to show you what I'm up to here. Just going to make little stripes on the side here. Looks cool. Hopefully it's going to look great. Once I lift this up. Once I lift it up, hopefully. Okay. For blue trim, this is V-Color blue, and I mixed in a little bit of light gray, just to kind of tone it down a little bit so that it wouldn't be too stark of a difference in color. We shall see. Alright, so I masked off these little stripes on the top here of the canopy. Okay. Looks like I need to thin it out a little bit more. I thought I was maybe a little bit too thin, but apparently not. apparently not. Let's just add more stuff in here. Still a little bit too much spider webbing here. Yeah, this is like really well thinned out, but still it's not enough. It's just a little bit too thick on the bottom. That started up pretty well though. I don't know what the hell is going on. Oh my gosh. There we go. A typical Y-Wing has like these, like that V, the curved V shape to it, right? With the gold or whatever. Bandai kits have like separate pieces and everything. This kit is not like that, so I don't feel really obligated to follow that pattern. So I've come up with my own pattern here. So you can see on the back here, it's my own original design. I kind of like that. This is better, coming out a lot better too from the airbrush. Looking much nicer. Right, here is the finished result. Maybe do a little bit of touch up where there's a slight amount of bleed under, but for the most part it looks alright. I really like how these little hoses turned out. I'm pretty proud about that. And this is how it looks here. And so this is in place. This is what it looks like on the underside. So what I did was I ended up remasking this and repainting this because it took off a little bit too much with the chipping. So as a result, the paint job looks a little bit uneven. I don't know if I can wet sand that to make it look better. I don't know. But anyhow, I think I might just fall forward and just accept it as is. I don't know. But yeah, unfortunately, this really should have been resin. Oh well. So anyhow, yeah, this is that light blue, and then I got the dark blue stripes, or I got a light blue stripe across either side here. So yeah, this is it so far, and it's pretty darn cool, I think. So I'm gonna end the video here. So as always, thank you for watching. Live long and prosper. May the force be with you, and so long. Thanks for all the fish. Bye.